We're making our own shake this morning. So we start with the milk. Let's do about 2 cups. That's good.
A little more. There.
Very good. That's too much. That's too much.
I won't pour some.
No. It's okay. It's okay. Just leave it. And here's your scooper for the hemp seeds. Hemp seeds are really good for you guys. Everybody out there should have some hemp seeds every day. Great in protein.
So we can have dessert.
So you can have dessert, yeah. You gotta eat your healthy food before you get dessert. Don't you know that?
Daddy, can you help open this?
Sure. Okay. Get a nice scoop of the hemp hearts.
And it's the water later.
No, don't get that. Another scoop of that. Perfect.
How about one more?
One more. Perfect. Great job. Now what comes next?
Spinach.
Spinach. Let me get the spinach out. Now some spinach.
Spinach. Patama.
Get that spinach in there. We like our spinach frozen.
Yeah.
It makes the shake colder in the morning and it stays fresh longer.
And we don't want warm spinach.
We don't want warm spinach. It seems to go bad in the fridge too soon. You only get like 1 or 2 good days in the fridge with spinach. You gotta eat it so fast. But when you freeze it, you can leave it in there for like as long as you want, really. Good job. Lots of spinach.
One more.
Yeah, lots of spinach is good for you. Very nice. Now some ice cubes. Very good. Alright. And last but not least, our favorite plant-based protein powder.
Can I
Orgain.
do the last? I can.
Can you open it? They're so strong. Alright, we got it. Nice job. You got a scoop of that.
I think some more. Do you want to taste some?
I'm good. You want to taste some?
Yeah.
Okay. Put the blender, put the lid on it. You stop eating that protein powder and put the lid on so we can blend your shake up. Protein muncher.
You almost grabbed this.
Oh my gosh, you can't eat that. That's a plastic scooper. Really? Alright, lid on. Great job, honey. Very nice. Okay. And you know how to turn it on, right? First. Okay, it's all done blending. Taking the lid off. Bada boom.
I want to pull it.
Here, pour it over here. So nice and slow, okay? Nice and slow. Great job. Little more. perfect. That's perfect. Great
I
pouring.
spilled a little mess.
Just a tiny bit, but you're getting so good at pouring yourself. Okay, now you want your straw and lid?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get you pink, your favorite color. You're done nice and tight, just like that. And then, you got yourself a spinach, hemp seed, and chocolate almond milk protein. How delicious. That's a great way to start the day.